Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best marble run is probably one of the most captivating and educational toys available today, offering endless hours of creative fun for both children and adults alike as they design, build, and experiment with gravity-defying tracks for their marbles to race through, fostering critical thinking, problem-solving skills, and spatial reasoning in an engaging and hands-on manner. Number 5. Marble Genius Marble Run Starter Set. Get ready for exciting marble adventures with this 130-piece set. It's designed for kids aged 4 to 8 to spark their creativity and engineering skills. Looking for a unique Christmas present? This STEM toy encourages problem-solving and imagination, making it a fantastic gift for holiday fun and learning. With easy-to-use connectors, building your marble racetrack is a breeze. Create stable structures for hours of continuous enjoyment. Enhance the play experience with our interactive app. It provides step-by-step guidance and challenges to help expand your building skills. Combine this set with others to create more complex designs. It offers limitless possibilities for both beginners and experienced builders. This marble run set is not just fun, it's an educational tool. It promises endless hours of engaging play and learning for everyone. What we like? This set offers a great introduction to marble runs with its vibrant pieces and kid-friendly connectors. If you are looking for a set that encourages creativity and problem-solving with the added benefit of an interactive app, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for sparking early engineering skills in younger children. What people say. The blocks are easy to assemble and stay together well. My child loves building different tracks and watching the marbles go. The set comes with a good variety of pieces, allowing for creative designs. Number 4. Marble Genius Marble Run Super Set. Get ready for exciting fun with this dynamic ball run set. It's perfect for kids ages 4 to 8 and encourages creativity and imaginative play. Engage the whole family with this building toy that offers endless fun and challenges. It fosters teamwork and problem-solving while creating memorable moments together. This set is a fantastic gift for boys and girls alike. Boost their creativity with this STEM toy, providing hours of constructive entertainment. Encourage young minds with these STEM toys that blend learning and play seamlessly. This set supports educational growth while keeping the festive spirit alive. Enhance your building experience with our app, offering step-by-step guidance and new challenges. This transforms the set into an exciting educational game for kids 8 to 12. What we like? This set is designed for ultimate family fun and engagement. If you want a building toy that fosters teamwork and problem-solving while creating memorable moments, this is ideal. Its seamless app integration also makes it a great educational game for slightly older kids. What people say. The pieces are sturdy and fit together well, making it easy for my child to build complex structures without them falling apart. I love that the set comes with a variety of pieces, including different sized tubes, curves, and straight pieces, which allows for endless creative possibilities. The transparent tubes are a great feature, as they allow you to see the marbles as they race through the track, adding an extra element of excitement. Number 3. COUOMOXA 110 Pcs Marble Run Set. Unleash creativity with this extensive building block set. It combines compatible blocks with a dynamic marble track for hands-on construction and endless exploration. This toy grows with your child, starting with basic shapes and progressing to complex track building. It enhances hand-eye coordination and logical thinking through progressive challenges. It's perfect for home or classroom STEM activities. Encourage teamwork, sensory development, and problem-solving skills through interactive discovery play. Made from durable ABS plastic, the pieces are smooth and stackable. Children can build independently with safe, frustration-free play. This is an ideal gift that combines motion, creativity, and STEM principles. It's a meaningful present that supports children's growth while providing educational entertainment. What we like? This set is perfect for growing with your child, offering compatibility with major brands for endless customization. If you are looking for a versatile option that enhances hand-eye coordination and early STEM learning for ages 3 to 8, this is an excellent choice. It's also great for classroom or home learning environments. What people say. The blocks are easy to assemble and stay together well. The marble run has multiple levels and a variety of pieces, allowing for creative designs. The marbles roll smoothly through the tracks without getting stuck. Number 2. Marble Genius Marble Run Booster Set. Discover the excitement of building with this 20-piece set. It includes a stable base and transparent action pieces, letting you watch every marble's journey through twists and turns. Already have marbles? This set is perfect for you. Add straight and curved tracks, funnels, and spinners to create endless racing possibilities. It's also compatible with other sets for even bigger builds. Designed for little hands, our connectors are easy to use yet sturdy. With features like a splitter and booster, kids can create amazing structures and stay engaged for hours. Enhance your building experience with our free app. Get step-by-step instructions, fun challenges, and new content. It's available on iOS and Android to take your creations to the next level. Mix and match with our other sets for limitless fun. Use the splitter, booster, elevator, and chain lift to design your own unique marble runs. Your imagination is the only limit. What we like? This set is all about adding exciting new features to an existing marble run collection. If you already have marbles and want to enhance your builds with elements like a splitter, booster, or elevator, this is the perfect accessory. It offers endless possibilities for creating more challenging and dynamic tracks. What people say. The pieces are sturdy and connect well, allowing for stable construction. It's great for developing fine motor skills and problem-solving abilities. The variety of pieces included allows for complex and creative track designs. Number 1. BATTOP Marble Run 167 PCS Classic Big Size Block Set. Introducing the BATTOP Marble Run, a 167-piece set designed to spark creativity. It offers a sliding paradise with xylophone and giraffe track blocks for imaginative masterpieces. This set is more than just a toy, it's a STEAM educational tool. It helps children develop creative thinking, spatial imagination, and early architectural design skills through hands-on building. Crafted from eco-friendly, high-quality ABS material and US safety certified, these blocks are smooth, odorless, and burr-free. Your child can build with confidence, knowing it's safe for their hands. With a reasonable card slot design, assembly is a breeze. Create simple or complex track models that are compatible with major brick brands, offering versatile play for different ages. Watch as they build intricate tracks and send marbles racing down. It's a fun way to explore and discover their world while mastering new concepts. We stand by our product with thorough testing and a commitment to your satisfaction. If you have any issues, we'll resolve them within 12 hours. What we like? This set provides a unique, sliding paradise with xylophone and giraffe track blocks for imaginative masterpieces. If you are looking for a classic marble run experience with a focus on creative building and safe, eco-friendly materials, this is a great option. Its large size and compatibility with major brands make it a versatile choice for hours of fun. What people say. The pieces connect securely and create a stable structure. It's a great way to teach kids about gravity and cause and effect. The variety of pieces allows for complex and interesting tracks to be built. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.